Good morning Year 3 and welcome to today's maths video. Today's maths video is for Monday the 1st of February. Now this week we are moving on to a new topic and we are moving on to the unit for money. So today's lesson is going to be all about learning to count in pounds and pence. Now just a word of warning, my PowerPoint is going to look slightly different to yours. Don't worry, it doesn't mean you've downloaded the wrong PowerPoint or anything like that. It is just because I've set mine up so that it goes questions, answers, questions, answers. However, yours has all of the questions with the answers at the end. That is so that if you wanted to do it independently as your own task, you can. If you need help and support, you can watch the video with me, but obviously I will be going through the answers after each question. So let's have a look. Lucy has a £10 note and a 20p coin. She has £10 and 20 pence. This can be written as £10 and 20 pence, with the dot separating the pence from the pounds. So when we write it, we write the pound sign, we write how many pounds, we then put our little dot which separates the pounds and the pence, and then we write any pennies that we may have. So Jack has a £20 note and a 10p coin. Which of these notes does he have? And which of these coins does he have? So I'm going to now move on, show you the slide that has the answer. So if you haven't done it yet, just pause the video and have a think and then press play when you're ready. So Jack has a £20 note, which is this purplish coloured one here, and he has a 10p coin. The 10p coin is a little bit like the 5p coin, but it's much larger. Jack has a £20 note and a 10p coin. I want you to have a go at filling out now for me the missing numbers into my sentence. So Jack has how many pounds and how many pence. Written in numbers, that is how many pounds and how many pence. So have a go at filling that in yourself and I'll go through the answers. So Jack has £20 and 10 pence. Written in numbers, that's £20 and 10 pence. Molly has a £5 note and a 50p coin. Which of these notes does she have? Which of these coins does she have? Well, Molly has a £5 note, which is the smaller blue one of all the notes, and a 50p coin. A 50p coin is silver and has some straight edges. Molly has a £5 note and a 50p coin, so how much money does she have? Have a go at filling in the blanks. So Molly has £5 and 50 pence. Written in numbers, that's £5 and 50 pence. Class B have a £10 note and two £5 notes. How much do they have altogether? Pause the video and have a think. So they have £20 altogether. You can write that as £20 or £20. We can write it like this because there are no pence, it is just £20. We know it's £20 because if we add two £5 notes together, it makes a £10. And if we add £10 to £10, we make £20. Class F have a £20 note and one £5 note. How much do they have altogether? They have £25. That can be written as £25 or £25. Class K have a £20 note, a £10 note and a £5 note. How much money do they have altogether? They have £35. 20, 35. You can write that as £35 or £35. Now, moving on to getting a little bit trickier. Class A have two 20p coins and a 5p coin. How much money do they have altogether? They have 45 pence. 20, 30, 40, 5. Now you can write that as 45 pence or £0 and 45 pence. Class E have a £20 note, a 10p coin and a 50p coin. How much do they have altogether? Well, they have £20 and 50, 60 pence. You can write that as £20 and 60 pence. So remember that little dot separates the pounds and the pence. So we have written our £20 for our 20 whole pounds and our 60 pence. How much does Ruby have? So Ruby has got 20, 30, 35, 40. Ruby has £40 and she can write that as £40. How much does Ruby have now? Ruby has £11 and 65 pence. We know this because she has 10, £11 because that's a £1 coin there, so that makes 11 whole pounds, and 50, 65 pence. We can write that as £11 and 65 pence. So this is your task in addition to the answering those questions from earlier. So you have to pause the video and have a go. First of all, you have to write the amount of money in numbers, and then you have to fill in the spaces of when it's written as a full pounds and pence, separating it into pounds and pence. Pause the video and have a go. Hopefully pause the video. So the answers are £82 and 7 pence would be written like that. 96 pence would be written like that. Remember, you wouldn't just write 96 because that would mean £96 because we've got the pound sign here. Now you can write it as pence if you like, but you'd have to write 96 with the little p next to it because the pound sign has been used is 0.96 because it's not a whole pound. Then we've got £61, £14.99, £30.50, £15, £78, 25 pence. And then here we've split it into £20 and 0 pence, £0 and and 3 pence, £40 and 20 pence, and £27 and 15 pence. Well done if you got those right.